Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix gamepad or controller not working problem in Overwatch. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, you have to go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check if controller is working or not. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. You have to wait for some time and once done, now launch the game and check if controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and after that launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, come back again, select disable Steam input and then check if controller is working or not. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select default settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to remove controller and add it again. For that, you have to go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. From here you have to remove your controller. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else, add your controller over here and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update, click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available and after updating your Windows to the latest version, now launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. As you can see, an update option is available over here. If yes, update your game to the latest version and after that check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. Next method is to enter big picture mode. So for that, you have to go to Steam and the library section, select your game. Here in the over section you can see big picture mode. You simply have to click on it and after that enter big picture mode and once done you have to play the game and again exit big picture mode and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser or even you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google. So after the website opens, you have to go below, click on the download option and this will download DS4 Windows tool. Once DS4 Windows tool is downloaded, you have to install it and once done, now launch Overwatch game once again and then check for the error whether it's fixed or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.